Hello. In this video I will be reviewing the 534.5 oscillator indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the awesome oscillator indicator. Instead of displaying a histogram, it is shown here with a line. The main line of the awesome oscillator is this light blue line, and the red line is its signal line. As you know, the awesome oscillator indicator works in such a way that its values display the difference between a moving average.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Average with a period of 5 and a moving average with a period of 34. We can use this indicator in such a way that values above 0 indicate an uptrend and values below 0 indicate a downtrend. We can also enter positions using crossovers. When we have an upward crossover like in this area, we can enter a buy position, and when we have a downward crossover like here, we can enter a sell position. This indicator does not have any settings and uses the default settings of the awesome oscillator. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Finally, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us in the comments section to help improve the indicators.